Screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here the my main concept starts over here where I'm discussing about IASL. IASL, it means it's very common thing. I'm still learning. It's a very true thing. Being a teacher, we learn every day, and if we are a learner, so definitely we can understood another learner in a better way. So here I am proposing a concept of a learning bridge. So my journey from I'll start my journey from a learning gap to the learning bridge. Now, why I choose this specific concept? After COVID, I feel these are the scenario. How we are doing the things. What are the factors we are facing in the classroom? Here, it's not my observation. I have taken a reference from a well-known newspaper where they have taken the literacy test of the students, a different subject, LSRW, or mathematical kind of competency, or the other subject. So data is in front of you, and always when I read the data, so again the question is that why being a teacher all are asking a question from us कि आप पढ़ा रहे हैं, you are the teacher, and these are the conditions that students are failure in that section. They are not the failure in the section, but something is missing from the side where so I want that we all collectively think about it. This is the actual scenario of the across the globe. It's not about the India, but it's across the globe. Now, if we face the COVID session, I know it's 2 year back, but then also we feel that the 100% of student learn 100% of concept. The my question is from your side. How many of you agree? Yes, ma'am. The 100% of students learn the 100% of concept. Yes or no? There is no need to reply me, but the question we have to ask from the ourselves. What percent of student, if we are telling yes, we on the hybrid mode we have given our 100%, that is a very true, but the receiver accept the same response, yes or no, that it depends. And if you are telling yes, so what are the percentage of a student those who have learned the 100% of concept? Why after 2 year I am asking this concept? Because now the students are in our court. Now the ball is in our court, and we can judge very easily what was the actual scenario. I want just discussion with you in that sense. Anybody from the group? I have not opted any settings कि आप नहीं बात कर सकते मुझसे. We can very openly discuss the things. ऐसा कुछ है? हेलो. These are the thing where I feel from the student side also, from the teacher side also, from the technology side also, and from the parent side also, because we are the teacher also, and somewhere we are the parents also. So I have kept all the four important bodies, actually three, but why I impart a technology? Because technology is a medium, and we cannot neglect the medium anyhow. So these are the things what the students may feel the things, what are the things with the teachers, what are the technical issues, and what are the parents, it means the involvement of parents, whether they are positive or negative. That is the another thing. So these are the four factors. I'm not reading out, because these are the four factors, just read out over here. And which is the reason behind that learning gap, why that gap was there at that time. Now here, if I am telling you the learning loss, so what is my meaning by the learning loss? Everyone has their own definition. So here what I mean to convey regarding the learning loss. A loss refer to the any specific or general loss of a knowledge and the skill, or the reversal in the academic process due to the many reasons. I have specified just two main reasons behind it. So that refers to a learning loss. It may be a literacy, it may be a number, it may be a FLN. We may count this to the. Now, if these are the things, so what are the key principles of the teaching, whether the online or face to face? Now, after COVID, the hybrid mode, normally we are getting a very formal degree, and it is accepted everywhere. That time people critique us, you know, there is no medium, it is not suitable for the thing. But I know in the Vadodara we have a heavy rain before 3 to 4 days, and school opted for the 3 to 4 days online mode, and now the parents are very happy. Okay, the 4 days at least school possess something for them. So that time ka jo ek critics tha, now it's our biggest strength. And we all are having a digital classroom in the schools itself. So what are the pedagogy of that effective learning? This we all learn in the B.Ed. Okay, we believe that a pedagogical consideration which tells us about, yeah, the study must be active, it must be a collaborative. We are talking about the higher order skills thinking. Now we are having a SAFL exam from this year, or CBSE, or other government also, they are taking the initiative in the quality of the papers, assessment structure. We all are working under the one umbrella to derive the one concept, that is a quality education. We want that Gurukul system or the ancient system where we can talk and discuss about the skill, that is a very particular manner, and these all are the parameters for that. That's why I mention a formative assessment rather than the summative assessment. मेरी स्पीड फास्ट तो नहीं है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग फास्ट, आई एम आस्किंग opinion from your side. Is it okay? Hello, is it okay from okay to everyone? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am, it's okay.
it's okay na. Now it's a one my case study from the my particular classroom, where the I am a class teacher, I am a subject teacher, and on the basis of that what I feel, that actually I am implementing over here. Now every instruction, yeah, I inform to the student about the test. Yes, it is my responsibility, I did my responsibility. I explain a concept, multiplication of integer, with the help of examples. Then I remind the student also, like I am interacting with you, कि अच्छा आपका वीडियो ऑन है नहीं है, ओके अगर ऑडियो ऑफ कर दीजिए. I'm in the contact by the meaning of that it must be a two way. I explain a concept with the PPT, that is also I have done it. I'm using a whiteboard also, where I want to show the steps and all, because PPT is not enough for the some subjects. Then again I am asking a cross question, like I am asking to you कि yes ये कैसा है, आपको सुनाई आ रहा है कि नहीं, are you comfortable with me, my voice is this and that. These are all the things we have done. Then also if I'll just conduct a test. After the test, what I feel, the class average was 59.2%. Now as I say, being a teacher, it's if I am assisting to myself, it's not a principal or coordinator who is telling to me "Ki Yogita, what have you done in the classroom." That is my observation, what I feel. So what account for this a performance? Is it okay or it is bad? As I considered in the different aspect, then yes, I feel कितना कुछ करने के बाद भी मेरे क्लास में not an expected result what I want. So what are the analysis? अगर मेरा result अच्छा नहीं है, if it was not up to the mark, so what are the reasons? So I have mentioned that points over here. So the pluses also from my side, and maybe the gain of the 59%, but the loss of how many percent? Yeah, if I'll round up the 60, so it's I'm gaining 60%, but another thing is that I'm losing 40%. A very good video we have seen before some days. Nowadays result must be declared. It's not about how many percentage you gain, but from the particular class how many percentage we missed out. Suppose if I'm scoring 90%, yes, 90% I have learned from that age, from that concept, from that clarity. But still 10% something which is missing from the my side. So if a student, those who are in a class 1, every time he's scoring 90%, so every time he's losing his 10% also. And till grade 1 to 12, 10% if you count, so till the completion of his grade 12, 120% he lost the something. Where is the loss? Where is the record of that loss? Yeah, 90% is a huge amount for the gaining, that is appreciable. But then also हो सकता है that 10% जो मिस करा है, that is a skill background. We are discussing after getting after completing a degree, now there is an unemployment. Students done the degree but they are not in that way कि they can appear for the job interview or the someone can select. हो सकता है जो 10% छूटा है, the same thing is from that 10%, maybe the possibilities. Now here are the things, as we are teacher, it's for all us. We use active learning in the every period, at least 4 to 5 questions hot in the all subject in the all period. We are using a very differential instruction in the every period. We are doing this all the things, we are having a checkpoint, prior knowledge. This is the thing that we want from our side and we are implementing also. I'm not telling, I am just giving us something. Yes ma'am. Yes sir, sorry. हेलो सर, आप कुछ कह रहे थे? Now how we can manage this learning gap? So for that, definitely we are creating a plan. We are creating a plan where we are just dealing about the two terms: learning objective and the learning outcomes. Learning objectives are the things which tells about what are my expectation, what are the key points. But being a teacher, I feel that after this class, this is the minimum things that my class should be know. I'm not imparting a higher level student or a lower level or a mediocre. I'm not grading the student on the basis of their skill or their marks. The thing is that that is the minimum barrage from a teacher that must be reach out to the each and everyone. The 40 students, those who are sitting in front of me, they must at least itna to aana hi chahiye. Our learning outcomes are that after completing a chapter, that is my homework, that from the student side कि what is my target and how much target I fixed out. मैंने उसे कितना fetch करा and still something is remaining. Whatever the remaining portion, it's not about the number of question. Here again, I will be very specific regarding the skill, a 21st century skill. Maybe from the first chapter, according to the Bloom taxonomy, my student can solve a 3 level. But the last 2 level where we are discussing about the creativity, where we're discussing about the engagement, that is also missing. They score full marks, but they score a full marks when I ask a same pattern of question. But from the integer, I'll ask a question from the physics something where the things are upgrading or downgrading. So the students are calling me, ma'am, it is the out of syllabus. ये तो हमने पढ़ा ही नहीं है. But where are the value? If I'm teaching integer or something, so that is integer gives a very beautiful value, positive, negative, and 0. We are having so many things, but it contain a negative sign. It means we can teach a karma कि हम कितना भी गलत करके अपने साथ रख ले, but actual value will be a negative. हमारी पढ़ाई से, from our education system, we are just discussing a method and technique, but the roots and the general value is missing out that. So let's redevelop a things where we can inculcate our general values. It's not a specific objective. A general objective must contain a general value, and we design a question on the basis of that value, and that will reflect to the question paper too. So from the introduction to the chapter till the assessment of the part, we are on the same page. What we taught, what we asked, that all the things we have done it. And this slide is speaking about that only. We know our curriculum is designed by the curriculum expert. We know the pictures, what is right and wrong. Thing is that something is missing, those who are missing. So definitely we have to create a bridge program. The remedial program is a very negative word, because when we are telling ki, if you are informing to the parents आपकी बच्चे को remedial की जरूरत है, they thought कि the students are lagging behind in that. Maybe he score out of full, but then also if I am discussing a something question, so he's not able to answer me. That child should need a remedial, but for the remedial, it's not for the passing a grade or marks. but for that, because already academic उसका बहुत अच्छा है, we want this bridge program. Normally we design a bridge program those who are scoring below the marks. Here I am demanding a bridge program those who are scoring a very high marks. Many times we have seen the topper of the universities, they are doing a clerical work, and we have a very famous quote: bank benchers are they are the born leaders. They are ruling the world. So we have to change the scenario, and for that the existing our next slides will be that this is the syllabus according to 2021 and 22. Now after COVID, definitely we do have a reduced syllabus, but that have not mentioned, because reduced syllabus, they have their own specific target. But we all the teachers, we know the previous syllabus, they cover the entire part. Now here is the my diagnosis on the basis of, if we use the past 3 year system, before COVID, during COVID, and now what we are there. So the thing is that time we ask a question which is directly from the textbook, but now in the board question also we introducing a term competency. Being a teacher, hello, being a teacher, we are also towards the higher level of question, more application based of question. Yeah, it's tough for to us to we have to derive a question where from that question we can derive a one value from that. Now when we are talking about the conceptual subject, so what are the some basic mistakes that is very commonly understood by the students? We are teaching them concept, they are following the procedure. We are asking a question based on the concept, again in that conceptual question they are demanding and they are finding the procedure. So here the two parameters need to be clear in the flip program, where the concept and procedure part both be clubbed together, and we have to do the things how we can map these both very important aspects for the maths and science. I'm not telling maths and science, we can include the ss2 in that. What are the scientific language? We know that define, describe, illustrate, derive, these are the term of the scientific term, where we are using our lesson plan also in our curriculum document also. But this word we are using in that document only, but this word we are not mapping the same type of framing a question to the question paper, or it is a part of our assessment system. So these are the basic thing, careless mistakes, so it's okay, the part of the student life, so it's there, right? I'm not the language teacher, but then also from my observation I have done something for the language also. If I missed out something, so I'm really sorry. See, the language may be based on the lsrw, their oral expression, listening comprehension, reading and writing. If we are doing the language, so why I'm very confused always, where someone tell me that academic is a different part and co-curricular activity is a different part. What I feel, the co-curricular activity is a truly reflection of your academic thing. If I know Hindi very well, तो हिंदी का वाद विवाद हो, हिंदी का एक्सचम्पर हो, या चीजें हो, मुझे शब्द सब्जेक्ट बहुत अच्छे से आता है, उस विषय पे मेरी प्रामाणिकता है, तो उस पे मुझे किसी भी तरीके से कहा जाए, एटलीस्ट मुझे अपनी बात रखते आना चाहिए. I am from the Gujarat, but I don't know the Gujarati properly. If someone tell and ask me, just give us something in the Gujarati, so I am lacking that because I don't have that language knowledge. Even if I am talking about the maths and science, then also we found many a times students are not able to answer because their language proficiency is very weak. Whatever is written in the question, what they understood, and they always have that misconception. So let's that we cannot segregate a subject maths, science, English, ss. We can derive a subject language and concept. Language is a tool which gives a power, and concept is something we can conceptually strong only and only when we are having a very good foundational base of the language. Now these are with the reading comprehensions ki what you may use the techniques. Yeah, oral may you may that phonetics, your awareness, your decoding, fluency, comprehensive level, these all the things that we are doing. Now here the thing, what I just we are I'm waiting for that. Suppose what are the majority of students have a challenge to conduct a bridge program on the all critical concept, which is a very hard to spot. Hard to spot it means I am again being a teacher. I am जब मुझे अपनी गलती देखना हो तो शायद मुझे दो बार सोचना पड़ता है. Even I know, then also I deny to myself कि नहीं मुझसे तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. So the session is for that कि why this flipped classroom is a very much important for all of us. Remedial concept and teaching process that I have discussed already with you. Ki how we can give that remedial or the bridge program. Remedial is actually a very negative notation. Whenever we think that it means जो पीछे है उसको आगे लाना है, but I want जो साथ में है उसको आगे लेके जाना है. So that is the main concept behind it. So here a new approach, that is a flipped classroom or blended learning. It means a very simple a classroom which is student centric. अभी कैसा हो रहा पता है? In this session also I am the one who is speaking. The rest all others are listening. Many of the session we have in the traditional classroom, it's like that. Teacher come and prepare, teacher speaks a lot. But how much time students are interacting with us? How much time they are engaged in the classroom? They are the just passive listener. Where are the active learner? So here I am introducing a flipped classroom, which is we know that in the traditional classroom, a one teacher and a teacher can give a lecture. Teacher is giving all the things. But what is the problem? If we being a teacher, just we become a information sender. So information is already available on the Google. So I thought the Google replaced to us, but it's actually not. We are the facilitator, and if we are a facilitator, so definitely in every NCRT books or the private book we are following, starting exercise we have the exercise which is reconnect with the another one. It's very poor. जब 10th में बच्चों को हमें सिखाना पड़ता है what is noun, though they are learning noun, adverb, adjective, or the Pythagoras theorem, or the soluble and solubility, or the photosynthesis from the grade 3 and 4. But then also they are doing the same mistake in the grade 10. What is the reason behind it? The thing is that they know, they learn for a particular period of time. After that time syllabus gets over, all the things will be vanished out. So here in the flipped classroom, I'll just share, instead of speaking a lot, let's give them to time to learn. हमें उस ग्लास को ही उल्टा करना है. थिंग इज दैट नाउ द ग्लास इज, हमने एक ग्लास को इन्वर्टेड रखा है एंड वी आर pouring lots of water in it, बट वो पूरा पानी बाहर है. Just reverse the glass and then start how much they can accumulate from that given knowledge. So lots of things, mostly flipped classroom talk about the tools, though we are having a ICT integrated classroom, ICT integrated syllabus, so we are using. But being a teacher, I thought beyond from ICT we also have something that we can do it. I must share something also with you. It is open over here. Yeah. Yeah. What is the screen? What is the letter which is visible over there? Can somebody tell me? Can somebody tell me what is written over here?
Ma'am, it is Anand.
Anand.
Anand, hai na? It is Anand. Now, as you see this Anand, what tools I am using or by which method I have used this alphabet writing? ANAND something. I have used to explain this thing Anand with the thread, which is a string art. I have used 1500 strings. It's not a string, it is a number theory. If we concentrate on numbers on a particular manner, so definitely we are getting a one pattern. For a particular math subject, we thought maths is only associated with the number, but maths is integrated with art. Art integration, this term is it's very common nowadays for all of us. Why we are not dealing the maths or physics or some things with the help of that method? Something I want to show the student outcomes in that things. Yeah, it is below, I thought. Yeah, a same Anand from that Anand I wrote from the software with the help of software. Then we did it with with the help of student. Anand Vidya Vihar is a school name. That's why that is Anand. A very simple thing. You know, these are the figures of the tables. These are the figures of the LCM and HCF. Yes, it is time consuming, it takes extra effort, but those who doesn't love those the student, those who are not loving maths at all, a very good tool we can provide with the help of things. So what I have done, मैंने उन्हें simple 2 के table का कहा, and I told them कि now do it whatever you want, there is no restriction from my side, you can take any number. And they took out a different number and a different pattern is formed. Then from their side as a teacher I came to know कि अच्छा जब मैं 5 के टेबल को ज्वाइन करती हूँ, so from the table of 5 I receive a single line. From a table of 2 pentagon I told them, but the table of 2 and the table of 4 they are having the same and similar geometrical structure that I came to know from their side. These all are the students outcomes from that. As it is mentioned on the screen, a very small TLM from my side, where I give the number from 0 to 9. It is a one digit number, and here I put out the tables. Now I am talking about this is for the grade 7. I give them the concept of table. Same thing, better than me, they have done about the integers. कि मैडम अगर इंटीजर्स को भी करते हैं ना तो वी आर हैविंग अ वन पैटर्न. This is from the my side and this is from the observation from their side. कि मैम if we are doing the table, so these are the outcomes from their side. Now this is not teach by me, this is discovered by the student itself. आपको इसे देख के क्या लग रहा है? What is it?
Swastik kind of thing.
Yeah, है ना मैम? It is actually a table of 4. Below in the back side also the table of 4. Here is also a table of 4. But how we can include a table of 4? There is a graph, like a graph paper, like a very small things are over here. And equidistance points. Okay, a simple equidistance point like that in the olden times we are using for the rangoli. When we are not habitual to draw freehand rangoli, that time our mother is used to create a such type of paper, and we are doing like that. What? 4 ones are 4. So how many points she left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now then 4 2 ja 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 4 ones are 4. This is 4 2s are 8. This one pink is the 4 2s are 8. Now I ask 4 3s are 12. So shall I count 12 times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So she said, no, ma'am. For the 12, what she said, ma'am, we have a number only 0 to 9. Rest number are the combination of the other number. So for the 12, what she did? 1 plus 2. The 1 plus 2, 3. So again, 3 steps. And from that whole the table of 4, a beautiful structure is created over here. That is the outcomes from the flipped classroom. I gave a very simple thing. She by herself possess a very beautiful thing. Apart from that, she opted for a just table. Another student, those who are also observing, he told me, ma'am, there is a one more thing. I said, boss, ma'am, this all the threads are associated in the 90-degree angle. आपको दिख रहा है 90-degree angle, teachers? Everywhere. Then the question is that if I'll change the angle of the dot pattern and I use the same table, so are we it is possible that we get the different structure? Then she said, yes, ma'am. It is actually a 90-degree structure, and from the 90-degree structure we receive this one. And if we change the table, so another one structure we can receive. Of just what I, being a teacher, what I gave them, they all created a very beautiful thing which is not available on the internet. They tried by themselves. Thumpings are there, it's not thumping, they have so many things, and they are doing the pattern. My work is easy. It's not only table, they have made beautiful things for the integers. They have the same pattern for the square and cube. Now they are finding out the relationship, what are the square number and what are the cube numbers, those who are having a similar pattern. So in the textbook we have a square and cube till 20, and they automatically they learn the square and cube till 50. Is it so very interesting? मैंने तो उन्हें सिर्फ कुछ सिखाया था 2 के टेबल से, and from that table of 2 कहाँ से integer आया, from where that the knowledge of square, cube, other things, they apply their mind and they created a very good, a very beautiful structures without my notification and the thing. That's why I told I'm still learning. I learned this thing from them कि नहीं मैम ऐसा भी हो सकता है, lots of possibilities. She declared a Fibonacci series in this, and we have created a class grade 7 student. If she is talking with me a Fibonacci series which is from the higher grade, so we can think कि now the education is not just a ICT tool. ICT tools, yes, it is there for us, but if the parents have a question, when I started a flip classroom, even many of the colleagues also told कि ये तो screen time increase करेगा, the students are more habitual for the gadgets, it will impact on the eye. So for that, for all the question, that is a very simple thinking, is the same flip classroom or the blended learning we can do by this methodology also. Same thing for the physics. Physics, we are having a motion, a different type of motion, we are having a different type of structure, a very beautiful things. If I am just running on the, if I don't have something, हमारे घर में आटा होता है, there is no need to use that such type of pipe or something. We have a pencil, we have a rubber band, and we create a something like that, so we can get a pattern of sine wave, cosine wave, a different type of motion, a different type of structure. आप सभी ने एक वीडियो देखा होगा where now we are talking about the square wheel. हमें बचपन से पता था कि व्हील तो सर्कल ही होते हैं. इवन वी आर गिविंग अ सर्कुलर शेप एग्जांपल तो हम कहते हैं व्हील, but the wheel can be possible in the square shape or triangle shape, but a wheel is like that, so definitely we have to design a road for that. So that is a design and innovation already included from the lower graded. कि अगर आप wheel change करना चाहते हो, then create a road like that. Though practically ये कितना feasible है, that is another thing, but they create their imagination without the help of Minecraft. They use the something and they did it. ये शायद कुछ वैसा ही जैसे हम बचपन में करते थे. Now these are the artifacts. It's not art, it's a chemistry. The equation of chemistry, a displacement reaction, photochemical reaction, the color, whole chemical included into a beautiful art. Now what if the student will entangle in such type of things, so automatically the formulas, the reaction, the thing, everything. I to give just one turmeric because turmeric is available at home. They found out another day that ma'am, it's okay, आपकी book में दिया था beetroot is also one good indicator. Tomato is containing the oxalic acid. Now it's not that I'm telling them what tomato has in it. They found out there, just मैंने उन्हें कहा था कि turmeric had something. Rest all the things in book, without the intimation, they read out, they come out with the ideas, and it's their work they present. So here are very small things about the flipped classroom. This is normally we need a slice and all thing in the biology, but everything this vegetables is available at home. This choice available at home. Let's create a slide. मैंने कुछ नहीं सिखाया है, just how to create a slide. Junior students are not allowed to take that biology lab and वो कहते हैं कि हमें slides नहीं पता है मैम, what is there. So let's create a slides. आप घर पे कितनी बनाओ and do it. Put a sugar over there, put a sugar syrup, salt syrup, that fit curry potassium we had, and observe the change. It's not harmful at all. It's a very safe chemistry lab. And these all are the practical aspects which I want to convey by the meaning of that flipped classroom rather than the one scrolling a ppt. These are the some outcomes, but what I want to share with you before the beginning of the flipped classroom, it's just we have to give one thought process to them. Rest all they discover something which is also new for us. And that classroom, it's really a happy classroom. There is no noise, there is no complaint, and we enjoy the things. So these are the flip classroom जो भी मैंने आपको जो हमने discuss करा है, all is present in the. I hope that this all the resources is available at the net, and we all go through it. So instead of explaining a PPT, shall we discuss something. मुझे अच्छा लगेगा अगर मुझे भी आपसे कुछ सीखने को मिले. So here I'm just stopping my PPT and we have a one live session with him. So this all the point. Yes, divide the lesson into the different topics. Then in the topic what I want to teach and what I want that they should be present. The two division is a very important part from the lesson plan only. So in the flip classroom, we have to decide a 40-minute periods into the three parts. Some parts where I want to teach, some part where I want to. It's not only listen. I want they are my teacher. They present themselves and being a student, I am learning from them. If we'll give that feeling कि मैं आपसे कुछ सीख रही हूँ, so that is awesome feeling, and they thought कि अरे वाह मैडम सिखा रहे हैं. So this is all about the flip classroom. Now I'll just stop sharing and we have a live session, so it's much more interesting. I'll also learn something or something drawback you tried somewhere else, so we can discuss this all the things in a very better way. Yes, please. Mamta ma'am, Sonia ma'am, Anita ma'am, I really want that we had a one good it's a good discussion of the teachers, because we all are the resource person. We are joining from that group. So apart from the teaching, a one learning session, it must be the part of that. So you may share if you have. Yes, yes, sir. Please.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Meenu Prabhakaran.
Yes, sir.
I just missed the beginning part of the presentation. I just had one query regarding what is a flip classroom? Is it where you're showing all these teaching aids, and is it a very interactive session? Is that the flip?
Ma'am, every definition says exactly what you said, but I'm using in the practically. So what I said, it's not about that we are showing something. It's about we are encouraging to student that they do something. So which is not in the textbook. They have to learn from somewhere, maybe a resource from the home, from the surrounding, and they can exhibit the same thing to us. That is a really motto of the flip classroom. The student take the initiative, they come up with the new idea which is not in the textbook. They apply their own mind, and then if one is presenting, so other is observing, and they start asking a question. Suppose a very simple activity, maybe the camera is off, but we all can do over here. When we teach the momentum, so momentum is a mass into velocity, a very small thing. So I am doing like this. Time is more. If the time is more, so impact nahi hai. Instead of that, I am doing like this. So literally the things are very impactful. If I'll give this example, so they are doing, they are the, in the classroom we are having all type of students. Those who are sitting back, they know what they are doing. So they told us a very beautiful example of the momentum, even it's not in the textbook itself. So that is a flip classroom, ma'am.
Right, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nice session, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Someone else?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir, please.
Exactly. because of network congestion, I am unable to hear the session. But one like feedback I would like to give you.
Yes, sir.
After see your energy and your voice, it is quite loud in volume high, pitch high. Your voice pitch is very high. तो आपसे बहुत एनर्जी मिली मतलब सेशन में जितना भी मैंने सुना, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है व्हाट आई थिंक कि टीचर्स में जो कला है, जो उसका वॉल्यूम और उसके जो एनर्जी है, इट शुड बी ऑलवेज हाई एंड इट्स वेरी बट इट्स नॉट एन इजी टास्क. इट्स वेरी मतलब कि क्योंकि 5-6 घंटा टीचर्स क्लास में देते हैं हर क्लासेस में, और मतलब अपने आप को एनर्जेटिक रखना फुल वॉल्यूम में, it's very tedious task.
Yeah, yes,
Great
I
hats off.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. It's basically flipped classroom. In flipped classroom, we are basically arousing the critical thinking of the students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All the 21st century skills we can include it. Actually, flipped classroom traditionally they have different type of models, which I have not discussed because that is a total theory part. Rotational model, then they are having a segregate models. So it's a one procedure. But what I feel when I learn the theory and I jump into the classroom, so I feel something. Again, we are following the theory. So here in this flipped classroom, I have not in my PPT also I have not introduced the theory portion. The thing is that whatever we want to ask now, that student is able to think. Only we can give the thinking process to the student. Maybe it is right or wrong, but वो सोचना तो शुरू करें. सही and गलत तो बात की बात है. But first thing is that they must speak.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, there are some tools also you can. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, unless they give out their mind, how will we come to know whether they are thinking process is wrong or right, or they are on the right track or something else?
Ma'am,
So,
start with the, yes.
imagining and thinking process should come from them, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Give a very small object. आप रोज जाते हो ना, उनसे कहो कि मेरे बारे में कुछ बताओ. Maybe वो अच्छा भी कह सकते, बुरा भी कह सकते. Don't take out. उनके पास उनकी water bottle है. Now keep it one water bottle and tell कि what just ये water bottle object इसके बारे में सोचो. कुछ शेप कहेंगे, कुछ साइज कहेंगे, कुछ वाटर कहेंगे, कुछ वॉल्यूम कहेंगे, पर एटलीस्ट दे आर थिंकिंग अ वाटर बॉटल इज कनेक्टेड विद द वॉल्यूम. अ वाटर बॉटल इज कनेक्टेड विद द शेप, डेप्थ, व्हाट इज इनसाइड इट, whether it is from which subject. अगर उसने सब्जेक्ट कहा तो मटेरियल आ गया, उसने कंटेंट कहा तो मैथ्स आ गया, उसने कलर एंड ब्यूटी कहा तो आपके ग्रामर आ गया. सो लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स we can tell them.
That way we can enhance their vocabulary as well as expression,
Yes,
communication power. ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am. Exactly, these are the motto. Actually, ma'am, what I feel कि हमें subject को वो हम क्या करते हैं? This is for the biology, this is for the chemistry, this is for the English. Though education is a compartment for the all the things, but if we divide it, let's one topic can teach by all the teachers. So everybody has its own specification. तो सब अपना अपना जब देंगे ना, तो वो सब्जेक्ट अपने आप में बच्चा उस कंसेप्ट को सीखेगा rather than subject. And that day our work is very easy.
And the education will become more and more enriched.
Yes, ma'am. The education will become more and more enriched. That is the main aim of the NEP 2020. और ये बड़े बड़े शब्द है ना मैम, कभी कभी घुमा देते. So I thought a very basic thing if we'll teach ना, तो शायद हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And that is again for the student side also.
Ma'am, I liked your way. I appreciate how you gave the very crux of NEP in a simple way.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Good evening, ma'am. Yogita ma'am. Even I feel आपने बहुत अच्छे से कराया सेशन. It was a learning session, engaging था. और बहुत देखो आपने बताया ना फ्लिप लर्निंग देखो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को प्रमोट कर रही है.
Yes.
और सबसे बड़ी बात है स्टूडेंट्स का जो थॉट प्रोसेस बिगिन हो रहा है, वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. That is a good thing, very good thing, and your session really enjoyable. बहुत कुछ, although we use flipped learning, but then we need to remind ourselves.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Ma'am, otherwise we used to think that NEP is very cumbersome thing, very boring and very enlarged and very something, but you made it
Yes,
very interesting.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
yes, true,
Being a
ma'am,
teacher,
very
ma'am,
true,
we enrich to
very true.
ourselves. It's a good community, ma'am, where we are sharing our thoughts, we are sharing our process, so we are learning from each other. Is something what the others are having a good, we can learn and inculcate. That's why I always believe IISL. I'm still learning.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am,
you,
true, very
thank
true.
you, thank you for your
Everyone
nice
is
session.
learning, ma'am, every day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Yes, yes, ma'am. Sarangana, ma'am. Just you raise the hand, please, ma'am. Yeah, sir, from my side, there's no restriction. You can communicate.
Yes, ma'am. Nice information. Nowadays, the children are very nice and they understand it quickly. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir. It is audible, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Once they understand the language, actually, I'm a language teacher for the past 21 years. Once they understand the language, it's very good in improving all the subject, ma'am.
Yeah, sir.
Hello.
Language is a key.
Yeah. Because maths and science and language, once they good in the concept, everything they understand it, easy to understand to maths and science, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I agreed with you. The
Yes, ma'am.
problem, language, in our country, we take the language session, even parents also take a language session is very lightly. But the thing is that before scientific or
No.
conceptual thing,
Yeah.
language base must be very strong.
Yes. Once they
Because
understand it, they
language is
activate
key
the
of
brain, ma'am.
education.
Once they understand the language, they activate the brain, and they
Yes,
understand easily to maths and science also. They understand it.
yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
agreed, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a very beautiful
Yes, ma'am.
session, very, very well presented. And I loved the way you brought out your own experience with the students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all of you for encouragement. Actually, being as a resource person, it's my first session, and you encourage me in that way. So I really it's motivation. Presentation in front of a student, it's a very different thing. But before the session, I thought lots of teachers are there from the same community, very experienced, and how I will conduct the thing. But you all supported me in a very good way. It gives a lots of motivation to me also. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Ma'am, we look forward for more such sessions from you.
Thank you. Sure, ma'am. We are in.
Yogita ma'am, please share some tips for the classroom management as well. Like
Uh,
being a senior teacher, how we can manage them.
Being a senior teacher, ma'am, for first thing for the science, for the every senior teacher, we must be having a very good content over the subject. Second, information senior kids have a lot. They are having their own phone, they are having own gadgets. Many times they are coming in the class where they know the things. So always prepare something where they have their own specific limitation of the searching. If more real life application we put into the classroom, and from that point of view we will teach the concept, so definitely the classroom behave and classroom atmosphere will be very good and attentive. If you are going for the just in this bookish knowledge, a textbook explanation or derivation, so they will get bored. Because many times nowadays students, those who are in 12th, they finish the syllabus in the 11th only, because they are preparing for the any competitive exam, commerce, art or humanities. So they are going, they are learning the thing, but they are not understanding the thing. if we are preparing for the understanding part, so the classroom management automatically will be okay. I don't think so there is a problem in it.
But and the thing is, students nowadays, there are more students who are taking science just as a pleasure, but
Yes,
not as per their choice. So
yes,
for
yes,
them,
yes.
we need to
Yeah,
make the
yeah.
classroom discipline.
Yes sir, yes ma'am. It's that जो if they choose a subject for just teaching science लेके ये हो जाएगा, there is one counseling session will be needed. Even in the board also we are having a 3 to 4 month where the one test or one the observation we can discuss with the parents. Even after 10th also nowadays all the schools are having a career seminars, career fairs, a counseling session where we are discussing कि taking a art is not a bad thing. It's not that the career is in science. Even the art we have a very good career. So if the such type of parenting session also we can take and we can guide to the parents. Many times बच्चे आके कहते हैं मैम मुझे तो ये लेना था पर पेरेंट्स ने कहा वही लेना पड़ेगा. So that time being a teacher our role it's very tough कि हमें पहले उन्हें समझाना है कि if student will select the thing, that's why now the skill education CBSE introduced, multi skill CBSE introduced, activity period they included. And by the that if we are teaching data science in a class 8, I'm taking data science in a class 8, so I can definitely in that 8 9 10 I can tell to the parents कि IT की फील्ड बच्चे के लिए आगे रहेगी कि नहीं. So that one anecdotal record is also very good tool for us where we are taking it means that sabhi cheeze hai ma'am, but how authentically we will do na, that depends on that. If we fill the marks just randomly, then we cannot use that tool properly.
Okay.
Ma'am, in your case, I must say, well begun is half done. You have done it very beautifully
Thank you
for your
ma'am.
first session.
Huh, ma'am, it's my first session as a resource person and that online mode.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you ma'am, thank you, thanks a lot. It's first session so I forgot to that Google form and all, but thank you, आपने सभी ने अच्छे से मुझे opinion दिए, तो I wish to continue my strength also and on my weaknesses also.
Ma'am, can we have a session
Thank
for
you, ma'am. Thank you
pre-primary
so much.
children?
Yes ma'am, or definitely. And the next session will plan a same thing for the pre-primary too.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Yeah,
so much. It
yeah.
was a wonderful session, ma'am. We are pre-primary teachers, so we also need some guidance. So,
Yes ma'am, definitely a special session I'll do for the pre-primary.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
हाँ बोल.
Hello. Yeah, I hope I have covered the whole total time. मैंने सेशन बियॉन्ड तो नहीं लिया कि अदर सेशन आपके मिस हुए हो. Thank you all of you once again for giving me encouragement and for your wishes also. Thank you.
बंद कर दूं स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग. ये इसके स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए इसके. अरे स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग तो बंद करूं. स्क्रीनशॉट ठीक है. चैट्स वो दे देखो यहाँ पे ऑन करना है तो ले लिया.
Thank you all of you. Thank you. Thank you, Hatun ma'am. Thank you, Meena ma'am. Pallavi ma'am, Yamuna ma'am. Your wishes a lot to me.
मम्मी मम्मी दुधाचे पैसे दे ना माइक बंद है ना कितने बच गए बेटा 558
नित्या आई का फोन देना.
अच्छा आएगा हाँ बंद कर दो स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग अब